Hey everyone, today we're diving into how you can support your liver with natural remedies. I'll break down 3 important processes that are crucial for liver recovery and share 3 powerful plants that can help keep your liver in top shape. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to focus on is protecting and regenerating the liver cells. The liver is one of the few organs that can actually heal itself, but it needs a little help. That's where milk thistle comes in. This plant has been used for centuries, and its active ingredient, silymarin, is a game changer for liver support. So, how does silymarin help? It stabilizes liver cell membranes, preventing toxins from getting inside and causing damage. Plus, it promotes protein synthesis, which helps damaged cells repair and regenerate faster. This is especially important if your liver is exposed to toxins, whether from alcohol, pollution, or medication. Research shows that milk thistle can improve liver function and support regeneration of liver cells over time. Next, let's talk about reducing liver inflammation, which is key to maintaining liver health. Inflammation can occur when toxins build up or when we eat poorly. For this, turmeric is one of the best remedies out there. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Why is this so important? Inflammation is one of the leading causes of liver damage. Curcumin helps reduce these inflammatory processes, taking pressure off the liver and preventing more serious conditions like fatty liver disease or cirrhosis. On top of that, curcumin boosts bile production, which is essential for digesting fats and getting rid of toxins. Just remember, curcumin is better absorbed when taken with black pepper, so make sure to combine the two for the best results. Finally, one of the liver's main roles is detoxification, and dandelion is a great herb for supporting this process. Dandelion has been used in traditional medicine for ages as a natural cleanser for the liver. Here's how it works. Dandelion helps stimulate bile production in the liver, which is critical for breaking down fats and removing waste from the body. The more bile your liver produces, the more efficiently it can detoxify your system. Dandelion also has a mild diuretic effect, which helps your body eliminate toxins through urine, reducing the overall strain on the liver. This combination of increased bile production and toxin elimination makes dandelion a fantastic liver detoxifier. But remember, while these herbs are beneficial, always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. And don't forget, natural remedies are only part of the solution. A healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive drinking are still the foundation for good liver health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.